Hey there. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I buy North Texas homes and TMC Property Solutions. My name is Tim Cook, founder and president of TMC Property Solutions. I buy North Texas homes is one of several real estate investment websites that we operate under. And thanks a lot for stopping by. I assume that since you're here, you may be considering selling a home or have a need to sell a home quickly in the North Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth, Weatherford area. Um, uh, and you've come to the right place. We are a veteran owned and operated real estate investment company. We are local house buyers. We live and work in the Weatherford and all over North Texas area, and we'll be happy to help you as well. We've been buying houses and solving problems for 23 plus years now, and with our vast knowledge and experience and background, we can most likely help you too. The one thing that you will appreciate with us is that we ask you a few questions, and based on that information, we will put together two, three, maybe four different scenarios or options for you to consider, all at absolutely no obligation to you. So, if you have even if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us at the phone number in the top right corner of this page, which is 817-550-5069. You can call or text, or you're welcome to click on the get a cash offer, which is not obligating you to anything, but that is giving us a little information, and you can put your question in there as well. And then we'll pull up some information and we'll give you a call, and we'll see if we can't put together something that will help you in your particular situation. But we've done it all. We've seen it all, whether it's foreclosure, divorce, inherited properties, homes that need repair or need a total rebuild. We've done it all. Even pretty houses with no equity, homes facing foreclosure, and you think you're going to have that foreclosure on your credit and you're trying to prevent that. We can do that. We've been doing that for years for many, many people. So don't hesitate. Reach out to us. We look forward to talking to you, and hopefully we can help you move on with the next phase in your life. Thanks again for visiting. I buy North Texas Homes and TMC Property Solutions. Have a great day.